How can we tell when we have three simultaneous equations what the outcome will look like graphically? Will it look like A, which is for a unique solution, B, which is inconsistent, as is C inconsistent, D is also inconsistent, E is consistent, and also F is consistent. F has three planes with the grey and the black one actually the same one, and so they're squashed together. When you get a unique solution, that is diagram A. Solving an equation that looks like this on your calculator will give you a math error. Using the Gaussian elimination method, you'll come to the following. If B and C in the Gaussian elimination method look like this, then by doubling B and subtracting, you'll get a statement that says 0 equals 0. This is a true statement. When you get a true statement, it means that the equations lie on the same line. They all meet like the spine of a book, pages of a book, on the same line. If you're posed with a question like this, three equations, three planes, imagine the grey plane and the red plane are actually sandwiched and stuck together. And you'll note that equation B is exactly half of equation A. If you double this, you will get equation A. So those two are in fact the same plane, so therefore there will be multiple solutions, and the multiple solutions will be along this line here where they meet. These are called consistent with multiple solutions. This is the most common question in an exam, and using the Gaussian elimination you'll get down to equation B and C. It may look something like this. When you subtract it, you'll get 0 equals 4. This is a false statement. When you get a false statement, it means that the two equations meet in lines, and this other pair meet in lines that are parallel to each other. So the solutions are parallel, you get a false statement. This is inconsistent. B and C could look like this pair. Again, a little bit of manipulation. Double B, and you'll still get an equation that looks something, when you subtract it, something like 0 equals 18. There we have it. Where one pair of planes are parallel, obviously there's no solution. We can see this from the equations, and plane X and plane Y will have similar coefficients. You should see a pattern straight off from the original equations. In this case, can you see which one represents a multiple of the other, except for the constant? When you triple A, you get 3x and 3y and 6z equals 36. 36 compared to 12. Apart from that, it's equal. So the constant that's different means that they are parallel. In this case, by doing a little bit of manipulation, you will see all these three equations are the same except for the constants. B rearranges to x minus y plus z equals negative 6, and C rearranges to x minus y plus z equals 0, showing that all the constants are different, so therefore the lines are parallel because the rest of the equation is the same. So there you have it. A gives you a solution, F gives you a solution, infinite solutions, E gives you infinite solutions. These are all consistent. D, B and C are inconsistent, will give you no solution, they will give you false statements. And B is the most common exam type question for merit. Go over this tutorial until you understand thoroughly, and you'll be on your way to merit and excellence. Good luck.